barbecuing with Karen here. This is Serio, our friends, my family. Barbecue, pork barbecue, chicken barbecue, shrimp, squid. You eat squid, me, huh? And Michelle, of course. Hi, Michelle. Say happy birthday, Jasper. We're celebrating your birthday here. Look what we got since you have this yesterday. So,
Feliz cumpleaños,
Thunder, feliz año, Jasper, feliz año, feliz año. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. And many more. Yay! Alright. Oh, diba? We're having fun here. Hi, baby. Hi, Lorna. Say hi. Our guest for today. And these people here. Barbecue. Alright.
Very good.
Very good.
Yummy.
While we are watching Sergio cleaning up those gardens because we got allergy here.
And all my bosses like you.
Alright.
When we turn on our fan on the wall, then she immediately gets running over.
Running, yeah. Because of those plants.
Yeah, the plant is strong. Yeah.
You know what? Why happened? This is the very first time. We lived here for... What? Utot yun ah.
The more balazos.
No, they got a turbo, Maria.
I know.
Yeah, turbo.
So
How
anyway.
did you get your commercial license? It's good.
Because the vans or trucks, pickups, they got a commercial places.
Plates.
That's expensive. That's expensive. Commercial plate.
It's a little bit more expensive on the cars.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like in the car, if you pay like $200, in the commercial you pay like $300. Yeah, but you can park everywhere. Not in the red, but everywhere.
Tama lang yung isda. Kasi kahapon pa yan na marinate eh. Yung fish. That's tilapia. You okay, Miho? Moss!
Barriga llena.
Balyena?
Barriga llena.
Okay,
It's a
whatever.
full tummy.
You know, in Filipino, ballena is the big fish.
Oh, whale.
On wheel.
Yeah, I'm glad you said that fish. Big fish.
Right.
What? Sergio, what's funny?
Because you say big fish.
And so, what?
Ballena is not big. Is not a fish.
What is it?
Kami may spider sa amin na dito.
Ballena's a whale.
It's a wheel.
Oh, thank you. At least a whale, huh? Okay, it's good. Not. I know what you mean. And why are you looking at us? Why are you looking at me?
Oh,
Huh?
no.
Why are you looking at Karen? What?
Bad boy ha, bad boy.
Ballena
Pero
is a whale.
mucho amor,
You don't like
esposa.
big ballenas, then you gotta go back and fish some more.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, you're on the
That's
wrong way.
true.
You're the wrong.
And I don't like to swim.
The last wife. He had wives before.
Plenty wives. Serio? How many wives you have?
No,
Five?
ex.
Exes?
Yeah.
He got kids every wife.
More white.
But the last one is Karen.
Karen.
The last one.
Yeah.
That sucker.
No more.
It's no good
No
anymore.
more.
Yeah.
Mas bueno.
It's, it's
They're
ano,
only in LA? Go family?
No.
I got one in Missouri. The other one is, I don't know if it's in San Francisco right now or it's in Mexico because it's a Marine.
Mija,
My son
what
is a
is
Marine.
the English
I got a
of
Marine.
old?
Yeah, I gotta told you.
Mija,
Marine.
what is the English of old? Oh, Spanish.
Tell me.
¿Qué?
Old.
¿Cómo?
I Ano siya
Ha?
pot?
Old.
Old, viejo.
Viejo.
Yo, viejo.
O no,
Muy viejo.
viejas.
Viejo mañoso.
Ay, naka. Diba, we have fun. Right?
Pero,
What you guys doing? What do you have there? Hello, hello? Babe, wag mo munang lagyan ng yelo. Ba't mo nilagyan ng yelo? Ay, you don't want ano? Okay. Ba't ayaw mong crush? That's enough, man. Okay, lagay mo yung ano, ice sa blender. Thank you for the blender sponsored by Gracie. Just pour it. Yep. Easier. Gawa ka ng sarili mong halo-halo kung anong mix mo. Si Lorna, anong gusto mo? Hello, hello. Kompleto yan. May langka, may beans, merong kaong, yung minamatamis na saging, at saka yan. Aha. Na may ube.
Anong ginagawa na yan?
Yellow. Patingin, mates. Not too much. Okay. That's okay. That's enough. And put some milk. It's okay. No, that's fine. Put some milk. Shake them there. Shake. More. Half almond. Half. Sige pa. Okay, that's enough. Almond milk. Okay lang sa'yo? The second one. Whatever. Up, stop it. Okay, ayun. Sige. Shake a little bit. That's okay. Ano mo? Yeah. She cannot wait kanina.
May gatas na yan.
Okay. Yeah.
Ano nilagay mo? Kailangan konti-konti, masisira.
Hindi, lagyan mo pa ng milk mix. Okay. Yan. Kulang lang ng milk. Ano na yan si Michi? Magbenta na yan sa labas ng halo-halo. Mix it.
May wala bang crush yan? Crush.
Okay. That's it. One more time. Okay, that's enough. It's okay now. There you go. Lorna, kunin mo yung sa'yo. Lagyan mo yellow.
Asan ba yung...
Yan, malinis yan. Yan, lagyan mo muna yellow, Lorn.
Ha?
Unahin mo yung yellow.
Bakit?
Mas maganda pag naunang yellow. I'm the teacher. You're the student of making halo-halo. You set aside the milk, anak. You put
Ay,
it.
tama yan. Asa sa'yo?
Huwag ka mag-alala sa akin.
Tama na mo ng yelo.
Half of it.
Meron tayong halo-halo lesson dito.
Aha. Hindi, mas maganda yung nasa baba yung ano, yellow, kaysa yung nasa ibabaw ang yellow, di ba? Ay, for me, ha? Then, you put all the langka, ube, beans, tapos kaong, tapos pinipig. What else do we have there? Marami pa and many more. Okay, have fun guys. Please. Eh, ba't wala namang sago? Ano?
Sago?
Wala namang ano.
Konti lang ang sahog ko. Pero,
Sexy naman ang asawa ko, oh. Ano ang damit ko,
hindi
eh.
pakita yung scout ko.
Oh, diba?
Ano sa ba to?
Doon sa likod, baby.
Kulay green.
Ano yan? Gelatin.
Tao.
Okay. Ito kay ni Lisa. No crap.
Parang laruan.
Liam! What's in there?
Ano ito ng balot na ito?
Pinipig. Ano nakabalot? Ano yan? Yellow rin yan. Gusto mo ice cream?
Ayan, yung sabit para malinamnam.
Kunin mo doon.
Saan? Saan?
Doon.
Saan?
Doon.
Saan doon?
Sa piso.
Nakabaon?
Hindi.
Siyempre, wala nila yelo.
Ang kabayo.
Kasi hindi ko naman, babe, konting ano lang ha. Nilagyan mo, Lorna, ng ano? Ba't hindi mo ginamit yung mahabang spoon?
Ay, ang liit-liit, wala akong masandok. Gusto ko pag
nagmamadali ka?
Oo, gusto ko ganun kadami, ganyan.
Eh di, sana yung kutsara, hindi yung kutsarita. Wow, I love it. Thank you, baby. Alam mo kung bakit konti lang binigay niya sa
If you
akin?
want additional ice cream, that's additional charge. You want ice cream? Hirap magtatanggal ng mga ano eh.
Wala, pag si Melissa talaga, wala. Oh. Walang sahog.
Then, sarap din pag nalaman mo.
Okay, have fun guys. Ito sa akin, ang liit. Si Melissa ang naglagay. Bao.
Tapos nung umpisa na nila ako nakakuha na ng ano. Look, 1, 2. Tapos
Hindi
dito.
ako ubusin kasi baka tumasan.
Wala silang makuha. And then here.
Ang gano'n naman.
Ba't ang bilis mo nag-iwa ng mangga? Bakit akong tagal?
Ano makikita masyado pa.
Ano yak mo? Sarap?
Tapos nilagyan nila ako ng cover sa mukha. Yung ito lang ang nakano. Ang bigat mo nakalagay dito.
Ano yan?
Ayun lang nakabukas. Oh. Ganyan ano naman ako.
Kasi nilagyan nila ako ng oxygen. Ang ginawaan ako, nilagyan nila ako ng oxygen. Mamaya hindi ko na